Welcome to the channel again. I want to teach us a powerful trade entry techniques that is going to transform your trading journey. You see, when you come to the market, you don't know what or where the price is currently going to. Now you are trying to analyze and calculate everything, and use ICT, use all of these things, and at the end of the day, you end up being scared to enter the market because you're afraid of what price action is going to actually do. Today, I want to help and break it down so that you can be able to take trade and know what to avoid and what to keep. Now, let's dive into it. Looking at this trade, I use time in trading. That is, this particular time I usually enter the market. This is if this is my trading view, I'm using UTC -5, of course, and that is New York time. So in this chart now, I start with opening of the day, that is 12 a.m. or 0.00. That is if your own is at 24 hour, but my own is in 12 hour. That's why it's showing 12 a.m. So let me get candle to that place. Let me show what I mean. Now this is my 12 a.m. Let me shift this. This is my 12 a.m. candle, right? So looking at this now, what we are going to look at, first thing that will come to your mind is liquidity, because remember if you don't know where liquidity is in the market, you always 9 out of 10 you're going to turn out to be the liquidity. So let's mark out our liquidity point. Liquidity is located at every low and every high. So let's mark out our liquidity. This place. Previously we have this place. Now, at least you understand now. So which PD area are we going to be looking at here? Actually support our trade. Here we have candle week. Let's measure it. This one. Let's draw it out in time. This is 50%. You see this candle here, this one. Sorry, what is it not showing? Yeah, this candle here, that is this one. This candle. That is this candle, please. This one I'm pointing at, not. Let me use this. This candle now tested the 50%, as you can see it, right? Price, it tested the 50%, so we are no longer interested in that one. We are now looking at this one. Remember, this is not every candle wiki. This kind of candle that has a long wick, small body or big body, but the wick is very long. Do you understand? And you can see, so that is what we are looking at. So let me mark it. That is this one. We are marking the 50%. If price break the 50% and continue, that is just like our continuation. Where is what I just marked? These are 50%. So now already you can see price is already rejecting the 50%, right? Price is already rejecting the 50% of this long candle, right? So now let's drop down to 15 minutes time frame. So now you're going to mark our internal liquidity. Remember, price moved from internal liquidity to external liquidity, right? Yes. So we have internal liquidity here. We have this one here, right? I already marked this one. But let me change the one of 15 minutes to let me change the color to blue, so I know the one of 15 minutes time frame. Correct. This is it here. So we then go to 5 minutes time frame for entry. But there's something in 5 minutes. It's called linking candle. Okay, let me draw out our linking candle. This is our linking candle. Our linking candle is the last fair value gap before, the last fair value gap in a price swing, in a swing from okay, this is the last fair value gap in this price action now, right? Okay, okay, do you see as price? I don't know. I want to use other place to okay, now see this is I just want to use this place to show example before I'll go back. Remember when price was coming down, you have a fair value gap here, right? You have a fair value gap here, right? But now if you take a look, you see that the price reacted to this one, just not this one, and that's what I mean. And now, so if you look at this place, this is the last fair value gap in the what, in the 5 minutes. So price came to it, reject away. Do you understand? So if price should close below it, price should go to it, and price has already done that here. Do you understand? Price has done that here. Do you understand? This is our 12 a.m. Price has done that. So what we have done is, neither we have, once price broke it, price should give you MMXM. This is MMXM forming here. That is price showing that there's something there. There's something significant there. So price gave you, that is I don't know, a corresponding PDR telling you that price has broken a reasonable PDR. Do you understand? So let's assume that you enter the trade here. This is of course short position. Your entry is going to come here. So entry using this low here. Remember, down close candles you push price lower, up close candle you push price higher. Do you understand? So where are we targeting? Our 1 hour this thing here. Do you understand? This is where we are targeting. Now let's assume that you missed this one. So let's play. Of course, price has already broke this place. So you are where and then looking to enter is this place, around this place. You're looking to enter trades around this place. So we are looking for break of structure around that place. So let's see what. This is our liquidity now, right? This is our liquidity. If price breaks and close, this break of structure here, you can see this thing. This break of structure here. If price should break, close, come back, retest, then say this trade is no longer valid, right? So now watch. Where is our current low? Our current low is this place. If price should break here, we are going to enter. But if price does not break it, if price do something like this, watch. This thing is very important. Let me use this part. If as price has broken this place now, I want price to come back, do something like this. Do you understand? And break this high, this new high has made. Do you see that high? Do you understand? Has gone here. If price should be here, I'm looking at to take trade here and go high. Do you understand? But if price do not do that and price reject away and come and give me a failure swing here, I'm looking for price to come here, break this low, come back. Do you understand? And come to this place and continue down. So now let's see what price is going to do. Price is rejecting away. Price has failed to continue there. You see now. You see what price did? It broke below this place, right? So where am I going to enter? I'm going to enter here now. I just pray to God you understand what I'm explaining. Please understand the context of this. It's not something complex, right? It's not something complex. We are going to enter here. Remember, as I told you, up close candle push price down close candle push price higher. So my stop loss will come here. But basically, let's put it at this place, and we are targeting this place. Let's go. Remember, this price point and internal liquidity still hold, we are still going to come to that. We are already in the trade. The SaaS price is going, right? We are already in the trade. So now if you look well, let me clear this thing. Let me clear this place. If you look well, right, you see that we have the same, this what I was telling us before. Now let me delete this one. This one still stands, but we have a new one, and that is this one here. This is our linking candle in the 5 minutes. So if price should break above it, we go high. But if price should break above this place now, close and give me fair value, a corresponding fair value gap, you know that price is going to take this high. Price is going to take this high here now. That price is going to take this high before coming down. So you know that your stop loss is already at risk. If price should break above this linking candle, go up, give me change of structure, like give me a corresponding fair value gap to this place, price will come and take this high now, right? So do you understand? Do you understand? Keep your eyes on that corresponding candle. You see how price rejecting away. You see how price rejecting away. You see it broke and closed back inside, right? I want to extend. Let me delete it. You have gotten what I mean. So now price has come to this our internal structure. Price has come to this our internal structure now, right? So how are we going to enter another trade? How are we going to take another trade? That which I was telling us is exactly what I'm going to do. Now you see what I'm saying now. Price has taken this place. This is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure, and price came all the way down, right? Price came all the way down. So if you take a look at this place now, right? This is what we call our break. This is what you call breakaway gap. When you have two fair value gap in a row. When you have two fair value gap in a row. Let me use blue. Right? I hope you understand. This is our breakaway gap here. Right? This is our breakaway gap, right? So we have entry here now because price has taken this place. Price has broken this place. You see, this is a break of structure, right? Price has broken this place. So how are we going to enter this trade? We have another entry here, short position. So our entry is going to come basically here. Remember I said down close candle push price lower. So at the tip of this red candle is our entry. Stop loss at the high, TP at this low. Let's look for more lows basically. Okay, let's keep it here. This is our second entry. This is our second entry. Our first one is still running and we have another second entry. So let's play. Even though it didn't get triggered, you're already in profit in the first trade. Your first entry has hit TP, so that one is gone. Now it's now your second entry. I'm trying to delete this thing here. It's now your second entry, right? So price has not come to it and you feel bad. Yeah, price reacted from our breakaway gap somewhere here. Price reacted from our breakaway gap. Which are marked. I told you that price, this is a breakaway gap and price will come to it. And is our linking candle as well, right? So entry with something like this, then stop loss will be somewhere here. Basic price should come to this place. Basically, this is just what it is. So So thank you for staying to the end. If you find the video difficult and you are like, how do I know this PDRs and how to manage them and which one actually stood out? I'm currently making course on Udemy on this, and once the course is ready, I'll add I'll add the link on the description. But if you want one-on-one mentorship, want one-on-one mentorship on how to can be able to be good a trader, I can as well give you one-on-one mentorship. But one-on-one mentorship, my one-on-one mentorship will be cost is just $300. Yeah, we here in Nigeria we know $300 is not small money. So, but if you are coming from this particular video, I can just make it 250 for you. One-on-one mentorship on how you can be able to trade profitably. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I love you. Thank you.